So if you go to the internet, look at PubMed.com, type in the name of whatever superfruit you're interested in, and you'll see there really aren't many scientific studies. So the reality is there's a lot of hype, but not much to support it. Here at Sisel International, we believe there are some spectacular ingredients found in nature. In fact, it's about half of all the pharmaceuticals developed today are based upon discoveries first found in nature, and then a synthetic version of them are made so that they can be sold as a prescription drug. But the science is based upon the natural ingredients, and that's what we do. We research the research to find out the extremely powerful ingredients, put them together in formulations in very high concentrations with a wide variety of the ingredients that are all achieving the same mutual synergistic goal. Now that sounds like a lot, so what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for extreme power. So what's the answer? Well, the answer is real simple. Take these powerful ingredients, concentrate them in the highest doses possible to achieve the results that science shows that they can do, and put them together in what we call a supersaturated solution. Eternity is our premier product that we sell, and it's supersaturated. In other words, it means that you cannot get any more material into solution or it settles to the bottom. And so you shake it and you have a highly concentrated ingredient that you take instead of a highly dilute drink. The effects are profound and the science is massive. Put Resveratrol into PubMed and you'll see there's over almost 4,000 studies on it alone. Plus with the other ingredients that are used with it, there's a total of about 20,000 studies that are all scientifically based to validate the effectiveness of the ingredients that we're using in this formula. Now, granted, since we haven't tested our formula, we cannot make the claims that those ingredients do, but you have the right to look at them and to determine for yourself, is this really what we want to take? So you have a choice. You can take a highly dilute juice from some exotic location with very little science to support it, or you can take a supersaturated solution that is highly concentrated with 20,000 scientific studies to validate the effectiveness of the ingredients, not the formula, because we haven't tested that, but of the ingredients itself, and make a conclusion of which product you want to use. That's the mission of Sisel International. When we make an antioxidant product, we don't make an antioxidant, because one antioxidant doesn't neutralize the thousands of different types of corrosive free radicals that are in food, water, air, but we think it takes about 40. So we've made a super formulation, highly concentrated, with 40 different kinds of extracts of antioxidants to support your body's biology as it fights the most corrosive factors that we believe causes about 60 different diseases and rapid aging. So the choice can be made if you have the products at hand to achieve the results that you want. So don't get caught up in this super juice hype and hope, but the reality is something else. At Sisel, we have put a complement of products together to fight aging every step of the way, to support your body's quest for longevity and for youthful regeneration and for energy and vitality. And the proof is not in the jungles of some exotic berry that no one has ever heard of before. It's in the annals of science that's been discovered with powerful products highly fortified to support your body to achieve the potential that we believe is possible.